What are the 7 continents? The world consists of 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, and Oceania, Europe, North America, and South America. However, the number of continents may vary depending on your location, with some regions teaching there are 5, 6, or even 4 continents. This is because there is no universally accepted standard for defining continents. While the arrangement of land masses on the continental crust can be used as a guide, geopolitical factors also play a role in how continents are defined. Below is an overview of the world's continents according to the widely recognized 7-continent model. North America is the 3rd largest continent in the world by land area, and the 4th largest by population. Often viewed as a subcontinent of the Americas, it is located entirely in the northern hemisphere. The continent is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, the Pacific Ocean to the west, and South America to the south. North America also boasts the world's longest land border, which is shared between Canada and the United States. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world by land area, and the 3rd most populous. It is primarily located in the southern hemisphere, except for a small region in the northernmost part of the continent. The continent is entirely in the western hemisphere. South America is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east, the Pacific Ocean to the west, the Southern Ocean to the south, and North America to the north. Europe is the 3rd most populous continent and the 6th largest by land area. Although it is physically connected to Asia, Europe has traditionally been regarded as a distinct continent due to cultural and linguistic differences. The Ural and Caucasus Mountains are typically considered the eastern boundary of Europe. Its other borders include the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea to the south, the Arctic Ocean to the north, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Europe is home to over 10% of the global population. Africa is the 2nd largest continent in the world, both in terms of land area and population. The equator passes through the center of the continent, with roughly 1/3 of Africa situated in the southern hemisphere. Africa accounts for about 20% of the Earth's total land area. It is bordered by the Indian Ocean to the southeast, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the north, and the Red Sea to the northeast. Asia is the largest continent in the world, both in terms of population and land area. Covering 30% of the Earth's total land area, it is bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Indian Ocean to the south, and Europe to the west. Approximately 60% of the global population resides in Asia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world and the 2nd least populated. The term Oceania is often used to refer to this region, distinguishing it from the country of Australia, though Oceania is not a continent but a continental grouping. The term Australasia is occasionally used to describe the same area. The countries that make up the Australian continent include Australia, Papua New Guinea, and parts of Indonesia. Antarctica, situated at the South Pole, has no permanent population or countries, and is designated solely for scientific research. It is the 5th largest continent by land area and the least populated. Antarctica is an island, entirely encircled by the Southern Ocean. Here are just a few interesting facts about the continents. What did you already know, and what was new to you? Which fact caught you by surprise the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video to support our channel and let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next.